Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Klaviyo flows from scratch so you can automate your 2026 revenue, bridge the technical gap between your data and your customers, and build a high-end studio marketing engine that works while you sleep. Let's get into it. First, understand the flow ecosystem. The first step is understanding the mechanical necessity of flows versus campaigns. In 2026, flows are your automated behavior-triggered sequences, while campaigns are one-time candid sends. Navigate to the Flows tab on the left sidebar of your Klaviyo dashboard. Click the Create Flow button in the top right corner. Flows are the highest leverage component of your professional market analysis. By setting these first, you ensure that every 2026 site visitor enters a high-end conversion funnel automatically. Next, utilize the Flow library for speed. In 2026, you don't need to build from a blank slate. To maintain a professional standard, you should leverage Klaviyo's studio quality templates, which are already optimized for high-volume technical sales. Browse the Flow library once you click Create Flow. Select a foundational template like the Welcome Series or Abandoned Cart. The why is this is the identity phase. These templates candidly come with pre-configured triggers and time delays that reflect 2026 industry benchmarks. Using a template ensures your technical video scripts and products are delivered within a structurally sound automation. Next, configure your triggers and filters. A flow is only as good as its logic. You need to technicality define what starts the sequence and who should be candidly excluded to avoid amateur quality spamming. Click on the trigger block at the top of your visual canvas. For Welcome Series, set the trigger to when someone joins a list. For Abandoned Cart, set the trigger to Added to Cart. Add a filter like what someone has done, placed order 0 times since starting this flow to ensure buyers don't get studio reminders for things they already bought. Triggers and filters are the mechanical necessity that keeps your professional 2026 bookkeeping clean. They ensure your technical software tutorials are only marketed to the right people at the right time. And that's pretty much it. To master Klaviyo flows in 2026, start by selecting a foundational template from the Flow library. Technicality configure your triggers and filters to target the right behavior and design your emails with a high-end studio aesthetic. Finally, perform a technical review and set your status to live. This professional workflow ensures your 2026 revenue is automated through candid, data-driven communication. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.